What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Now, is $40,000 Bitcoin on the agenda? The market seems to be absolutely sending right now, and we're going to break down what is going on with Crocoin. It does absolutely look like we're ready for another big breakout. So welcome back to the 2-Bit Crypto channel. If you like cryptocurrency, then subscribe to the channel. We talk about it every single day and try and bring you the latest and greatest in new coins, new meme coins, as well as cryptocurrency news. And smash a like if you're holding your Crocoin. With that being said, let's take a look at what is going on. So we're about an hour into a new day here. Bitcoin just topped 35,900. Are we about to see a 36k Bitcoin? Very, very possible. And Crocoin holding at that 8-cent range. Now, we've seen a number of other cryptocurrencies exploding that we've been covering on the channel. If you like that sort of thing, definitely check some of the other videos out. But Crocoin has been on an absolute send now for a minute. 19th of October, we started to get this upward trend and it is continuing to move. We have a significant amount of bullish indicators, both the 200 and 100 EMA looking very positive, and more importantly, we are seeing some good level of volume. Now, money flow just took a little bit of a sell-off here. Not the end of the world. Consolidation, remember, is a good thing. It allows us to build support ready for that next push. It's critical if we want to see CRO 10 cents, 50 cents, whatever it is, that it has to build some support. So what have we got going on with Crocoin? Why are we seeing this significant move? Well, it's 2 years and over 238,000 followers that it is been going. The Cronos ecosystem is been doing this for now 2 years. Anniversary was today. Not only that, the accelerator program has come to a close. Now, you might say, well, why is this important to you? Why is it important? You need to understand this is mentorship, $100 million worth of funding that will go into some of these fantastic new projects that will build on the Cronos ecosystem. We know the rebrand came about 3 or 4 weeks ago, but these are going to be new innovation projects, that are going to build on Cronos. Why is this important? It allows people to get in there early. It allows the Cronos chain to really build into something different, all of which intrinsically linked back to that Crocoin. A 3-month program did offer selected projects accelerated support in the early stages, as well as a 12-week of workshops and mentorship, $100 million worth of funding. So I think this catalyst that we've got, these projects that are going to build, this innovation they want to bring, is really driving the price up for Crocoin. Equally, we know that Crypto.com, the native exchange of this, are very, very good when the market shifts. They bring a lot of new people into the cryptocurrency space, but right now, we truly and firmly believe it is institution. We've seen it with XRP, we've seen it with Chainlink. They are institutional money coming in. Now, we're a tweet away, we're a news story away from ETFs landing, where we could even see CRO start to move. But what do the people think we're going to get? Well, it's always good, and I always like going through price predictions. Now, just for transparency, I've held CRO. I've held it all the way down from about 21 cents to where it currently sits now. I haven't touched it. I truly believe CRO could be an absolute giant in the next bull run. I, for one, I've been accumulating where I can. I talk about this all on my live streams as well as my Twitter space on Friday. Accumulate when you can. DCA down. Bring your average price down. This allows you to get break evens and profit sooner, specifically if you're looking at projects like Cronos, as well as some of the others we talk about on the channel. So what have we got coming up? Where do people sit in terms of price predictions? I always think it's worthwhile to have a look. So we kind of know where we currently sit. We also know the trend in which we've got with Crocoin. And bear in mind, we've come through a pretty aggressive bear market with a lot of projects going by the wayside. So where do people predict we could see CRO by the end of 2023? Well, consolidating range between that 4 cents and 5, we now find ourselves with a significant spike up to where we are. MACD is crossed and the price gained significant momentum and surged over 62 cents. So where do people think we're going to get to? Well, 9 cents could be by the end of the year, with a potential 10.6 by the end of 2023. So coming to the end of November, we could be around that 9-cent mark, and then heading on up to 10 cents by the end of the year, which I think would be a pretty good move. My prediction, by the way, $40,000 Bitcoin, I think, is where we're going to be by the end of the year. So 10 cents might be on the slightly conservative side. Now, when you look forward, and these are the things, again, you always have to take this with a pinch of salt. You truly believe we're going to get there. But I think the market, and equally what Cronos is offering, particularly the Crocoin, then we could see some particularly interesting moves. So if we take a look at 2024, the potential high around 17 cents, the potential low around 12. Fast forward a couple of years, you're at 30 cents and 36 cents at 2026. And then if you get to 2030, you could be at $1.12. Now, I think they're relatively conservative. thinking about what's being built out, thinking about how effective Crow was in the bull market we saw in 2021. So I think that these are definite conservatives that obviously have to be taken with a pinch of salt, but I think there is a lot being built out. There is some big potential being coming. And ultimately, the fundamental analysis, we can see here, it says, on the other hand, Rafael completed his graduation from PUC Rio, accumulated 15 years of work experience in finance, and he's worked in reputed firms in Asia and secured over $50 million AUD in funding for NASGO. So these are people that are giving us their view. So they're not chumps. They're people that generally have a view of what's going on with the market, and in particular, what is going on with Crowcoin. So we have a rebrand, we have the accelerator program that's finished, and we have a significant price to the upside for Crowcoin, all of which looking very good for Crypto.com, for Cronos, and for the Crowcoin. But let me know down below in the comments, what's your price prediction by the end of the year for Crowcoin? But right now, it definitely looks pretty exciting. As ever, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and if you want more Cronos content, you know what to do. Smash that like button. That's the only way I know you like the content. Thank you so much, everybody. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.